Welcome to the Firangi kitchen. Today I am preparing onion rings. Let's get to the recipe then. First, for this recipe, we need 2 large onions. Then I am cutting it into half centimeter round slices. Then I am separating the rings. We need perfect round slices for this recipe. Now we need a picker bowl to mix all the ingredients. One cup of all-purpose flour, followed by 1 teaspoon of baking powder, followed by crushed black pepper half teaspoon, followed by salt 1 teaspoon. We need 1 cup of beer for this recipe and are mixing it gradually. Mix it well. Now I am adding another half cup of beer. Mix it well. Now we have to dip those onion rings into the batter, one by one, taking it out and adding breadcrumbs all over it. Heat the oil in the medium flame, fry it for about 30 seconds or until it turns golden brown. our crispy onion rings ready to be served. Please subscribe us to get more recipe updates.